Hi, welcome to Forest Rock Qigong. This is a 10-minute Qigong routine for digestive issues and to help with digestion. In Chinese medicine, they see digestion issues, anything to do with digestion is to do with the spleen, the stomach, and generally the liver will be involved as well. I'll go through the 10-minute practice and then I'll go back over each of the exercises and give you a bit more detail of each of the exercises after we've done the full 10-minute practice. The first exercise we're going to do is called Painting a Rainbow in the Sky, and it's a classic exercise for helping to balance the liver and to take away. The liver is in charge of circulating the energy around the body. So bring the hands up, breathing in, and then breathe out, push from the sky. We're going to go to the, I'm going to mirror you, going to go to the right side, bring your weight to the right, and then bring your hands to the left. Come up, and then change weight to the other side and look into the other side. Then we breathe in as the hand comes up, and we breathe out as the hand goes to the side. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. And then bring the hands down to your eyes and turn them over at your eyes and bring the hands down. Return the chi to the lower Dantian, which is your physical center. Next exercise we're going to do is called Scoop the Earth, Part the Clouds. It's from the Shi Tai Chi Qigong system. You lower yourself down and it's like scooping leaves off the ground. And you bring them up the front, above your head, and then bring your hands around to come down the sides. You lower yourself down. This helps to harmonize all the internal organ functions of the body. Bring down. Breathing in as we come up. Breathing out as we go down. Looking straight ahead. Alternate the hands at the bottom. Breathing in, looking up. Breathing out, looking straight ahead as we go down. We'll do one more. This one's called Rowing the Boat in the Middle of the Lake. We'll stay with the Shi Tai exercises today, so we're going to lower ourselves down and we'll turn our palms to the front. We bring our hands back. This helps to regulate the digestive system. And bring your hands down the front, breathing out on the way down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Long, slow breath in, long, slow breath out. Breathing in. Breathing out. We'll do one more. Breathing in. And breathing out. Bring your hands down. We'll stay with the Shi Tai system. And this next exercise is called Sage Presents a Peach. We're going to go to the right side first, so I'm going to mirror you again. Bring the hand up, and we go to the right. Palms facing up, the other palms facing down. Keep your back straight, don't lean forward. Keep your back straight, and it's like you're holding a peach in your hand. You'll come back, bring the hand up past your tummy, and then it goes over the top of your hand, and then it goes to the other side. We're facing the other side. Breathing in as you come back, hand comes up the inside. Breathing out as you go forward. Breathing in. breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Now, as we do this exercise, we go to the ball of the foot, so we're in the front part of the foot. We wrap back to the heel of the other foot, and then we come forward on the toe on the other side. Back to the heel, back to the other heel, and then forward onto the toe on the other side. Heel, heel, and then toe. Heel, heel, then toe. Good. And bring our hands back down again to the center. Staying with the Shiva system, we're going to do another exercise called Scoot the Sea, Toss to the Sky. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go to the right side first. You're going to step forward on the right foot, and you're going to bend down. It's like scooping water out of the sea. And then we bend backwards, and we arch our back, and we bring our hands up and lean backwards. And come down to the front. Alternate the hands, so we change the hands in the front, the opposite hands in front. Make sure the hands don't touch. The wrists don't touch each other. Now we go backwards. Breathing out on the way down. Breathing in on the way up. Breathing out on the way down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing out. Breathing in. And change sides. Stepping off to the other side. Breathing in. And breathing out. Now the weight changes. It goes for 100% weight on the front foot. And then 100% weight on the back foot as we go backwards. So weight. One more time. And breathing out. And then come back to the front. Now bring your hands round onto lower Dantian. For the men, put your left hand with your right over the top. For women, put your right with the left over the top, yeah? They're going to help to ground the chi. Just take a breath in, a slow breath in, and just relax. Feel your heart relaxing. Feel all the energy in your organs, and your stomach area, and all your digestive organs, all relaxed, energized after the practice. Long breath in, long breath out. Good. So that's the 10-minute practice. That's a great exercise. All those exercises are really, really good for the help of the digestive system. They help with the spleen, stomach, and the liver, right? So the first exercise, we'll go back to the exercise, so just a few more details about each of the exercises as we do it. Painting the rainbow, you breathe in on the way up. You turn them over at your eyes and then push up, breathing out as you go towards the sky. As I say, we'll mirror you, so we're going to go to the right. So you change your weight to the right, and then you look towards the left. Now the top hand comes above your head, and the other hand goes to the side. Now the arm's not straight, it's got a slight bend in it, and it's going directly to the side. It's not going down, it's not going up, it goes directly to the side. And then you come up to the top. As you change weight, you come up to the top, and you sit in the middle with double weight there, and then you come back the other side. When we're doing the stretch from this part, you can feel the whole side of the body is like a banana. We're stretched down the side, and you can feel the stretch. And this is the gallbladder meridian and the liver meridian. So it's stretching the gallbladder and opening the gallbladder and the liver meridian. It comes up, and then the other side. Now we feel the stretch on the other side. You can feel the stretch on this side now. Now the breath is when you breathe in, and you change over at the top. You breathe in, and then breathe out as you go down, as you change sides. Now you don't necessarily stop. The changeover in the breath is breathing in, breathing out, but the changeover is right in the middle. But you don't actually stop in the middle. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Good. And then the hands come to the top. And you breathe in, turn your hands over, and you breathe out, return the chi, or a surplus chi, back to the lower Dantian, which is our physical centre, under our navel. Okay. Very cool. Next exercise, scoop the earth. This exercise is really famous. I gave this exercise to a patient one day, and she only did it for 2 weeks, and it rectified her digestive issues she'd had for years, and it was just one exercise. This is the exercise. I can't guarantee it does it for everybody, but it did work for her perfectly. These exercises are really strong. So bending down. As you bend down, the key to the bending down is to keep your bottom tucked forward. So when you bend down, I'll turn this way so you can see. When you bend down, you don't want to stick your bottom out. Yeah, as you bend down, you keep your bottom straight. So as we go down, you can only go down as low as you can bend your knees and keep your back straight, because you don't want to do that. Yeah. Goes down, scoops and comes up. Yeah, over the top. Comes back down, lower yourself down, like scooping the leaves. Now looking straight ahead. Now when you come up, you look up at your hands. Now the hands don't touch at any time. When we're coming up, they don't touch. And they cross the top, and you're looking at the sky. And as they come down, you bring your head down, and you're looking straight forward, and you lower yourself down, looking straight forward. Scoop again. Breathing in as it comes up. And then breathing out. Good. Very good. That's that exercise. The exercise rowing the boat in the middle of the lake, that's a similar exercise. The same thing happens with this one. When we go down, make sure you tuck your pelvis forward so you don't stick your bottom out. So you go lower yourself down, then you turn your palms to the front with this one. And the hands go backwards, and they do a big circle around the outside. You can feel the stretch in your shoulders as well. And then you come down the front. Now you don't have to look up for this exercise. Looking straight ahead, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. It's a beautiful exercise. As I say, it's great for balancing the digestive, anything, the part of the absorption and any part of the digestive function. It helps to balance this exercise, helps to balance that. Gets the energy moving, takes away any stagnation, any blockages in your stomach. The next one was Sage Presents Peach. This exercise is really good for getting rid of stress and strain out of the body as well, getting stress out of your mind. So the big thing with this is the movement of your feet. You go from your toes, you rock back onto the heel, you go across to the other heel, then you go forward to the front part of your foot, the ball of your foot, the kidney point. You go back to the heel, across to the other heel, and then come forward. But the body also turns at the same time, goes back and it turns. The opposite hand comes up. So we remember it's not this hand, it's the opposite hand across the body, and you hold the peach in your hand. Big thing is don't lean forward and don't lean backwards either. You want to have your back nice and straight. You can tuck your pelvis forward when you do this. It comes back to heel, and then toe. And so we're presenting the peach. One hand's up, one hand's down. One's towards heaven, one's towards the earth. This is good for people who do any intelligence to work where they're using your mind. This exercise helps to bring energy to your mind. Calms the mind, but it brings energy to your mind. You breathe in and you change over in the middle. Breathe in, which is this point, and then you breathe out. You breathe in, the hand comes up past your lower dantian to bring the energy up. One palm's up, one palm's down, and then we go forward, breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Cool. And we come back down again. Scoop the C. The exercise, the key to this exercise is about changing weight from one foot to the other. So when we go forward, all the weight's on the front foot, and then we go back. So when we're on the back foot, there's no weight in the front foot. It's all on the back foot. And the same when we're on the front foot, there's no weight in the back foot. Yeah. So we have this movement of energy forward and backwards. We have the bending of our spine as we go down. Our spine bends, and you feel the arcing of your spine because you want to stretch your spine this way, and then we're stretching the spine the other way, right round the back. And then we're coming forward here. Breathing in all the way up, looking backward, looking up. And then breathe out, bring it forward, bending right down in the leg. Very cool. And it's done both sides the same way. The other side, stepping forward. 100% weight in the front foot. Remember to alternate the hands at the bottom as well. Each time you go down, you use a different hand in front. And if you can't remember, it's okay. Just go back next time and try it the other time next time if you can't quite remember which one you did. Breathing in and breathing out. And stepping up. And then bring your hands back down to the front again. Very good. And the last one was the closing exercise where you put your hands on the lower dantian. Now this is like you're grounding your chi, consolidate your chi, and you bring it all back into the lower dantian. And we've already brought all the energy to the organs and to the liver and the spleen and the stomach. Now we're taking any surplus energy and bring it back to our physical center. And we also want to calm our digestive, and we do that by taking a long, slow breath in and a long, slow breath out. Long, slow breath in. Long, slow breath out. Good. And just relax. As I say, remember the hands are left for the men and right for the woman with the left over the top. So the alternating hands. Just sit there quietly, breathe in, and then breathe out. Breathe in, and then breathe out. Good. And that's the exercise for the digestive. So if you have any questions, please ask about that. And enjoy the day. Have a beautiful day, and know this will help your digestive system and your whole body. Yep. Cheers. Have a great day. Bye-bye.